Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. We're on Highway 179. You guessed it. We're heading up in the Red Hills of Sedona. Actually, we're going to boondock in Sedona. Going to go check it out. Let me park here a second. We'll get a picture of the sign. Welcome to the Red Rock Scenic Byway. That's Highway 179. It's going to take us right up to the village of Oak Creek and into Sedona, and then we're going to take 89A to the west. We'll find us some boondocking. But what a pretty, pretty place Sedona is. My goodness, it's magical, spiritual. I mean, people come here from all over the world. It's one of the prettiest places on the planet. And anymore, one of the busiest too. We'll let this keep on rolling. I need to get some fuel up here too. Had a nice night boondocking up there off Highway 260 up by Forest Lake. I've always wanted to boondock up here around Sedona. I know where it is. I've spotted it a couple times. We're definitely going to go out and check it out. Look at the scenery. Look at the mountains. Yay. All right, this is the village of Oak Creek. It's early in the morning. It's just about, 6:15, somewhere around there. And they like their roundabouts here. This is the downtown district, Oak Creek, village of Oak Creek. Wow, look at that one. That's Bell Rock, I think they call it, shaped like a bell. How'd you like to live here, huh? Oh man, wake up to this every morning. They get a little bit of snow here. We're up in elevation a little bit, but this kind of scenery, who cares? Turn on the heater, huh? All right, well, let me top up full of fuel before we head back out of town. $5.69, $5.70 a gallon. Goodness. All right, well, we're just going to keep on 179, drive right up into Sedona. And just scope out some scenery. This highway gets super busy a little later on. I like getting out here early. Beat the traffic, beat the crowds. Tons of videos have been done on Sedona. All the hiking trails. They got that Holy Cross Chapel up here. It's endless. It's really changed too. This is super high rent district. I think the first time I came up in this area was back in the late 1980s. And it was nothing like it is now. There's just 2-lane roads, and it was always popular for the big red mountains and rocks and everything, but sure wasn't like this. Now it's all manicured, fancy sidewalks and buildings. Doesn't that Bell Rock look cool? Everything nice and green and plush. Right there, there's your Kodak moment. That'd make a good postcard picture, huh? Buildings with the mountain in the background. Temperature, you can get warm up here. You can get in the 90s easily. It can definitely get warm here. Everything in Arizona is warm. There's little parks, a lot of hiking trails. There's a good look at Bell Rock, or whatever they call it, Bell Mountain. We're real close to Sedona. Look at that big cliff. Now you can see some of the trails. Sun is just getting up there, huh? Lots of trees, and right there you go. We just drove through there. There's downtown Oak Creek Village. Beautiful. Traveling in an RV up here is slightly challenging. The parking lots are small, and my past experience up here is park your rig, get it set up, and then go explore if you can. If you're able to have a tow car or your pickup truck from the trailer. There's several RV parks in town. There's campgrounds around here, so you can usually find a place to park. But the actual parking lots, or even in the stores, are kind of small, even for the van. Still a pretty place, though. We're getting close now. I've done a couple other videos. I've already filmed that Holy Cross Chapel. Sure, check out some of the older videos of this area. But we're not going to do that today. Okay, we're it. This is it. We're in town. It's part of the business district. A lot of cool little shops, coffee shops. Now we're going to go around this. It's like a double roundabout. When I leave tomorrow, I'm going to head out that 89A north. And actually, we're picking up right now 89A. We're very close. You remember the videos I did a month or two ago about Cottonwood and Jerome? We're very close to that area. We just came in a different direction is all. Well, this is kind of like the southwest end of town. One thing that's out here is, I believe they call it Red Rock State Park, which you can camp there. It's absolutely beautiful. And you kind of wind around in a big loop, and you talk about scenery. It's endless. Absolutely gorgeous and endless. This area is also that dark sky international community for stargazing. Even their street lights are set up for that. They think of everything here. But spirits in the mountains here. Pretty cool place, huh? Well, we're just gonna head out here about 4 miles, maybe 5. Find us a place to camp. Free camping around Sedona. All kinds of ATV trails out this way. You always see them out here. Once again, this road will take us straight right back into Cottonwood. Oh, cool. Look at the balloons. Looks like they're getting ready to take off. Oh, we got to film them things. How'd you like to take an early morning balloon ride around these red mountains? Oh, man. Look, there's 1, 2, 3 of them. Okay, no fires here. Can't blame them. Arizona is super dry. There's some people camping right there. Maybe they're part of the balloon ride. Anyway, I've driven back in here before. I've never stayed. We're gonna stay tonight. And that'll be, then I'll be heading back down the mountain tomorrow. Last time I pulled in here, it was packed full of rigs. Don't see too many this time. There goes some folks. Probably spent the night. Enjoyed it here. Right up here, there's a big pull out. I'll pull down in. Let's see if we can't catch those balloons before they take off too far. Signs. See a few mailboxes. There must be private property around here too. Okay, here we are. This is the area. There you go. There's Highway 89A. That's looking straight off towards Cottonwood. That's the road we just came in on right there. And there's our balloons. There's one of them. Looks like they're just skirting along the ground low. There's 2, 3. Look at that, 3 of them. Wouldn't that be fun, huh? straight down, that's all the boondocking area. I see a few rigs. Like I said, last time I was here, that was full. There was probably 50 rigs here last time. And that road keeps going. I believe there's other areas along 89A that you can check out too for free camping. And that's looking straight back towards Sedona. Isn't that pretty? Look at all the ATVs there. They're all chained together. Probably a rental outfit. Rent it to groups. That'd be alright. You wouldn't have to haul it around. Just come up and rent one. They bring it out. You ride it, and then they come get it. That's a good idea, actually. Alright, let's drive back in a little ways. See what we can find. There's a rig off the left. Looks like someone's staying in their car. Let's go down this way. Scope it out a little bit. Those guys are set up right along the fence there. Got them an ATV. I'll have to look at all the boulders here. Looks like a gravel yard or something. I'll have to look, check the trails online. Next time I'll have my e-bike with me. Well, this is it. This is how you boondock around Sedona for free. Like I said, there's all kinds of little areas along the 89A before you get back into the town limits. Both sides of the road. Look at all these big rocks, huh? Wow. Huge. Well, I'm going to cut back up to the other road, go explore around. I might head into town, grab some ice and stuff before I get totally set up. But I think I'll camp on the other side, up the other direction. Journey continues. Talk soon.